We are back at it again. Last time I did a Spain mystery box, which was part 1. Link down below if you want to watch it. Now we got one called A Taste of History. This looks pretty interesting. Alright. Cheers. Has a salty bread taste, 8 out of 10. Rice noodle snacks. These look pretty strange. It's pretty frickin' strange. I give it a 4 out of 10. What is it? It's called pine candy? It's like a hard candy. If you know what Vapor Rub is, when you put it on, it has a really strong minty smell. It's like eating that. That is really weird. Got a spiced party mix. It just tastes like spiced nuts. I have no clue what these are, because I don't know how to read Chinese, but whatever. We got an interesting looking packet. Looks like a little cookie. Doesn't look bad. Has a smooth buttery taste that's actually pretty fire. Let me know if you want a part 3.